This is the 30-second video in my series on three-phase power transformers. In this video, we're going to take a look at a gas or Buchholz relay. This relay measures the rate and volume of gas accumulation in oil-immersed transformers. You'll find this relay along with others in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and the other courses on my stand store at this web address. The last protection device to be discussed in this chapter is more mechanical than electrical. At least the initiating variables, pressure and flow, are measured mechanically. This relay measures the rate and volume of gas accumulation in an oil-immersed transformer. It was developed by Max Buchholz in 1921 and since has been known as the Buchholz relay, which has been applied to large power transformers since about 1940. It has been slightly modified over the years, but essentially the basic principle of operation has remained unaltered. The Buchholz relay is located in the oil line that connects the conservator tank and the main transformer body. This position of the relay above the main tank will accumulate any and all gases that are formed and rise in the transformer. Also, any pressure surges that occur will pass through the oil connection line on the way to the conservator tank. The Buchholz relay usually has two elements that monitor, number one, gas accumulation, which is made up of a float and some kind of position-activated switch. In this case, it shows a mercury switch, which in the more eco-friendly designs of today can be possibly a reed relay acted upon by a moving magnet. The second element measures gas pressure change, which is made up of a moving diaphragm and again some kind of position-activated switch, a mercury switch or the more eco-friendly reed relay. For the time being and for simplicity, let's assume that the mercury switch is being used in both cases. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also, from time to time, be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of the aforementioned type products. It is also a connection to obtain a free copy of my 24-page three-phase transformer workbook, which will serve as a quick reference and reminder of technical calculations that you may need. This address, of course, is case sensitive. I'll spell it out and make sure that you have it right. Everything up to the first number is lowercase. That is lowercase https://bit.ly/3, then uppercase U, uppercase G, a lowercase j, uppercase B, uppercase I, and lowercase g. One of those amazing and versatile products is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, which can be modified to suit any homeowner's needs, operating virtually silent, and when paired with the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 2 is extremely versatile. The EcoFlow Home Panel 2 ties any and all of your standby power equipment together and will control them efficiently. It will even control your connection to the utility grid to make sure you're only using the least expensive power, switching to your standby power during those expensive time of use rates. In order to view the full range of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 products and obtain a free copy of my three-phase transformer workbook, check into this web address and simply provide your email address, which will guide you to browse the full extent of their products. There is no cost or commitment for viewing, and by providing your email address, it will allow me to keep you posted on future videos, courses, and 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 products. Before I end this video, I want to repeat the connection to obtain a free copy of my 24-page three-phase transformer workbook, which will serve as a quick reference when working on my courses and quizzes. It is also a handy reference and reminder of technical calculations required in your daily job requirements. Finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my stand store.